We all know that Himala explores, 70s and 80s socio-political issues. This question is for Direk. With this reinterpretation, how do you think the themes discussed in the original film would, resonate with today's audience?
I think yung themes po ng Himala are timeless, and unfortunately, a lot of the issues that were present in the original film are still issues that we have in our society today. Issues of faith and blind faith. Issues of truth and non-truth. Issues of our society and the way we deal with each other. Pero I think nasa pinaka-puso po ng Himala is ang kwento ni Elsa, which is her coming to terms with her faith and the visions that she had seen. And then on another level, yung kwento niya with her mother. And how yung relationship nila evolves because of yung mga Himala. Yung relationship ni Elsa with her friends, Chayo and Lilia, na they grew up together and drifted apart, and how they are trying to come back together. And then ang kwento ni Elsa in relation to the entire community. So napakadami pong layers na yun. I think you watch it as a child, as a parent, as a neighbor, as a friend, ang dami po pong makakapitan na antik talaga sa puso. And so for me, it's the same, and I hope to share that experience with the audience.
That's great to hear. And final question. If Direk Ishmael Bernal were alive today and he would, see your film, how do you think Direk Ishmael would react to this reinterpretation of this film? Or how do you want him to react to this?
So, with Sir Ricky, it's been a very, very long dream na ma-draw ang pelikula ito. And I first saw it 6 years ago, and it took me many, many years to get the courage to ask Sir Ricky. And this year when we asked, I was very grateful and honored that he said yes. Pero I've always been nervous about showing Sir Ricky from the script to the film. And I will always remember Sir Ricky saying that, Sir Ricky said, this is yours, and for the whole team to play around with. And naiakop siya sa perspectives ko namin. But I will say that yung film po ni Ishmael Bernal is deservedly a classic. And it is deservedly one of the most timeless, most important, best Filipino films of all time. And I have referenced it in a way po na, for example, from the musical script, binalikan po namin yung original film. May mga eksena from the original film na binalik po namin for the musical. Shots were a lot of inspiration, some scenes. And I also watched the film again in full just a few weeks ago. So it's always present in my mind. And I will say, as I said to Sir Ricky, nothing will replace Ishmael Bernal, Nora Honor, and Sir Ricky's Himala. And this is a different take on it. It's a different take on the story of Elsa, told very powerfully through these wonderful performances and such really powerful, wonderful music.
Sinita ko lang, I think matutuwa si Isma. Knowing Isma as a friend and as a co-worker, I think matutuwa si Isma. I think ma-amuse siya. I think matcha-challenge siya na yung gawa niyang trabaho noon, nanganganak na yun ng iba-ibang version. And I can imagine him looking at all these versions already and saying, sige na, tingnan natin. Not condescendingly. Kasi may si Isma sa discourse. Sige nga, tingnan natin, anak, tingnan natin, at matutuwa siya. So, masaya kami na ginagawa namin ito. And then, nung ginawa namin ni Isma yung Himala, in 1982, ang guideline namin lahat, coming from him, minimalistic siya. Kaya halos walang mga salita. Nang nag-present si Pepe ng kanyang vision for this version, expressionistic siya. Musical na siya, and then expressionistic siya. So, hindi ibang klaseng himala. And yet, nung lumapit si Pepe, ang nakuha ko, he would be, and he is. And he was very faithful to sa original. And yet, in a way also, very unfaithful. Kung may ganun man. Nakita ko kasi yung essence andun pa rin And to the letter na yung essence. At nagkakonsult siya, this step, I discuss in the step. But on the other hand, as he said, I told him all the story. Kasi I don't think natutuwa si Bernie kung gagawa ka ng himala na kinopia lang, naging clone lang, ng original na himala. That's when he will condescend. Pero pag nakita niya na nanganak yung original na himala, na isang class ng himala, like kapag mamalaki din niya at namin, I think matutuwa siya at baka bumangon pa.
Thank you very much and good luck with the film.
Naku, wag naman, Sir Ricky.